Your restaurant probably washes a lot of dishes every day. About 1/3 of the water you use could be going through your pre-rinse spray valve alone. By switching an older standard spray valve to a new high-efficiency spray valve, you may reduce that water use by 50% or more and save on water heating costs too. Best of all, it's easy to do by yourself in just minutes. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps of installing your new high-efficiency pre-rinse spray valve. You don't need any special tools or skills. If you can turn a tap off and on and twist a screw, you've got this. Before you start, you want to turn off the water going into the hose, either at the tap or the shutoff below the sink. Then press the spray valve to make sure you get all the water out. If you don't, prepare to get wet when you remove the old spray valve. Next, remove the old spray valve by twisting it counterclockwise, meaning to the left. If it's a bit tight or slippery, you can use a piece of paper towel to tighten your grip, or you could use a wrench. You just want to make sure that you don't damage the threads in the process. Before putting on your new spray valve, you want to take a moment and you want to look inside the hose and check the condition of the washer. If it looks brittle or cracked, or you've noticed dripping, then the washer may need replacing. Otherwise, you can just leave it in there. And some models of spray valves may include the washer in its assembly too. Now take your new spray valve and twist it on. You want to tighten it by hand, this time clockwise, meaning to the right. And if it's still a little bit slippery, you can use a piece of paper towel just to tighten your grip. When your new spray valve is on nice and tight, it's time to test it. You want to make sure that the little clip on the spray valve is unlocked and off so that it doesn't spray you. Turn the water back on and hopefully you should not see any leaks around the spray valve attachment. If you do, you just want to turn the water back off and double check that the spray valve attachment is threaded on correctly. If it all looks good, you can give your new spray valve a squeeze. You may notice that the spray pattern's a little different than before. Instead of a round, shower-shaped spray, the new high-efficiency spray valve has a flat knife-edge spray. You'll spend less time rinsing each plate if you tilt and work your way down with the spray to scrape the surface clean. And with a little practice, this technique should become second nature. And that's it. Enjoy saving water and energy with your new high-efficiency spray valve. For more ways to save energy, visit our website